See my breath here? Yeah. See my glasses fogging up? Neither do I. RZMask work. It's friggin' cold out here. Minus 10 right now, degrees Celsius. Whatever that is Fahrenheit. Got to do some sanding some crib boards. But you know what? They sent me this mask. I paid the shipping, and so they sent me the mask. And I think it's great. It's way more comfortable than my rubber mask that I used to wear, the big like round things on it. In fact, which now I wear this a lot more, knowing I should wear the other one, and the serious reasons why I should. I still get uncomfortable and sweat. I take it off for a little bit, you know. I take a little bit, but now I feel comfortable. The only thing is, if I do pull this down, I can't tuck it back up. My glasses will fog, so I do have to take my glasses off. Why don't I just show you how I put it on, so that if you have glasses and you want to try it yourself, you'll just know how to put it on. It's not too hard. Let's see, I don't have a camera stand, so we'll just put the camera right there. It's Velcro. So first, I have to take my glasses off, and then I fit it to my face and put this up to the top, up high on my bridge. Tuck my face in, and then I just pull tight. Attach the Velcro. Now it's on. Slide my glasses over top and just let my glasses sit on top of the bridge of it. I think I can put it to my face. It does fog a little bit, so I'll just leave it off, just a slight. No fog. See great. This is comfortable. I'm gonna wear it a lot more. I forget it's on, like I know it's there, but you don't get that sweaty feeling. And one thing though, it does condensate after a while, like any respirator will. So it will drip eventually, and no big deal. Raises the grain a bit. Usually, like I'm sitting here sanding and I'll have some drips come down. It's not a lot. So anyway, give this a thumbs up. I think it works great, and the comfort of it makes me want to have it on more. So all around good product. Thanks a lot, RZ. It's good stuff. And it looked cool.